Over here cleaning this pool up, doing some tile cleaning. Come around and I find this. That's why the customer has that board over there. Possums, raccoons. I think this is a possum. They need to drink water for them to do number 2. So typically they will sit on the first step, drink the water from the pool, and poop on the inside the water. This guy looks like he went a little bit too deep and he died. I'm gonna open this can and make sure there's no other one. They have it coming from back here somewhere.